Hey, what's up, Ecomi holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Omi coin. What's the current price of Omi coin? What's the price change in the Omi coin? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the massive gains occurred by Omi coin in the yesterday, my friends. You know what? Yesterday, the huge gains occurred by Omi coin, but unfortunately these gains is for later time. After some passage of time, the price start again falls down, my friends. Let's see more about the Omi coin, but before starting this interesting video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. At this time, you can see here the price of Omi coin is 0.002107 USD dollar is the latest price of the Omi coin. And the price change in the last 1 hour price change is negative. Last only price, as I told you, my friends, in the start of this video, that yesterday the huge gains occur by Omi coin, my friends, yesterday. And the previous last 1 week price change is negative. Let me show you, my friends, from the price chart of the Omi coin. From the price chart, you can easily understand that what's going on at this time in a Omi coin, my friends. That is the last one day price change of the Omi coin, and you can see here that the last one day price change is negative, positive 3.81% changes occur in the Omi coin. So that's mean that they start moving upward, my friends. And if they start moving upward, so the huge gains occur by Omi coin, my friends. You can see here, and now at this time they start jumping. So my expectation from Omi coin is going positive, and I believe that they will give us good profit, my friends, and they will give us only profit, my friends. What do you think about that? Tell me in the comment box, and please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.